If you're starting YouTube and you think it's all about uploading videos in your YouTube channel, you are getting it wrong. In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 things that I wish I knew when I was starting YouTube. Let's dive in. Research before you start. Most of the friends are always going to content creation without more information. They are fond of uploading videos in their YouTube channel without getting more information on how YouTube platform works, or now getting more information on how YouTube algorithm and all stuffs in YouTube are working. And this is one of the powerful reasons, because if you doesn't know any idea about how YouTube works, you will be in YouTube for more than 2 years or maybe 3 years without monetizing and getting what you want in YouTube. So let me say, me, when I started YouTube, I was like, I need to be doing YouTube like my hobby, so I didn't have more information about YouTube, and I realized making many mistakes in YouTube, and that is the mistake that I don't want any YouTuber or any creator out there to have in any way. YouTube is a showground. You see, YouTube is a platform and is a free and fair platform. YouTube as a whole is giving you that platform to entertain the audience, and if you fail to entertain the audience, YouTube has no any argument with you. YouTube will not argue with you in any way, but YouTube will only bury you. So YouTube is a showground. And how is it a showground? YouTube will give you that platform to perform. YouTube will give you that platform to upload your shorts. YouTube will also give you that platform to upload your long form videos and live stream. And if you fail to do that, YouTube is going to forget about you. And if you make it by making the people to stay in the platform, by making the people to watch the show that you are having, YouTube is gonna promote you. And that is how YouTube works. One of the things that I never knew in any way when I was starting YouTube, I never knew that sound system matters. Yeah, that is very simple, but that is the case. You see, YouTube is a pro platform. And if YouTube is a pro platform, you need to get professional things out there. And how can you get professional things out there? You must make sure that the sound of the video that you're uploading in your YouTube channel is a professional sound. And that is very simple. You see, so many people doesn't have money to buy the fancy microphones, but YouTube here is for us, and all artificial intelligence are here for us. So when I started YouTube some 4 months ago, I was like, I don't know, like my sound was terrible, but one of my friends just showed me one of the things, that is the Adobe Podcast. That is the only AI that I've been using to enhance my sound back then until now. Number 4 is proper optimization. Yeah, this is one of the gospel that I've been preaching for more than 2 months in this channel, and I have like many videos saying what is optimization meaning. You need to check your YouTube channel and you need to optimize it to more audience. And how can you do that? It is very simple. Every time you're uploading your videos, remember to put your tags, remember to put your hashtags, and remember to insert or remember to draft a professional description. That one shows the YouTube algorithm the kind of audience your video should be pushed to. You can decide to optimize your channel by clicking on settings, then you click on upload defaults, or the basic settings that you can use in your YouTube studio. Forget about YouTube algorithm. Yeah, you see, so many people have been uploading videos as if they're uploading videos for the YouTube algorithm, and that is one of the worst decisions that I did. I always uploaded videos targeting YouTube algorithm, like I need to upload video at this time, algorithm is away, that all are bullshit, because if you are uploading videos to the YouTube algorithm, you are not going to go anywhere. But if you replace that one of the YouTube algorithm with your audience, you win it, because people are always there and people are the main subject in YouTube platform. And how can you do it? You can decide to upload videos targeting your audience. You can decide to upload videos targeting the type of people who will watch your video, because if you do so, YouTube algorithm always follow the audience preference, and if they follow the audience preference, you are automatically going to go viral and you are going to make it in YouTube and like other creators. Self-promotion does not bring true audience. That is one of the worst things, and that is one of the worst truth that I need to tell you guys today. You should not be having that time of promoting yourself, sharing your link to WhatsApp group and any other group, thinking that you will have the true audience. You see, people and true audience are in YouTube, and they are not on Facebook. They are not on WhatsApp and any other platform. And how can you get it? It's very simple. You need to optimize your channel professionally, and you need to do a good content, because if you do good content, the audience that are really interested in the content you're doing are going to watch your video and are going to search your videos. And if they search your video, YouTube algorithm is going to follow their preference. And if YouTube algorithm follows their preference, you are automatically going to did it like any other person. You are automatically going to go viral and win it on YouTube. That's it. YouTube is a business. Yeah. You see, if you have a business, there is how you can treat your business. And decide to treat your business, your YouTube channel, like a business. Because if you treat your YouTube channel like a business, it will really pay out like a business. So many people are like, you know, I don't have to record, I don't have to optimize my channel, you know, this is just a hobby. No, YouTube is a business, and if you deal with it like a business, you are automatically going to go viral, and you are going to get what pay out. That is how to do it. You need to invest in your thumbnail, invest your time in your thumbnails, in your titles, in your videos, and in the overall platform. Like, you need to take your time dealing with YouTube as a business. And how can you deal with YouTube like a business? Create long videos that can get you more money, videos that can generate for you more watch hours, more subscribers, and more things. Last but not least, when you are in YouTube and when you are a YouTuber, you need to know that every day is a learning day. You see, recently YouTube has updated so many policies. YouTube has updated so many settings in the YouTube studio, and that is how to do it. If you are a YouTuber and you are serious with YouTube, you need to research and know what is going on. Why are people always trying to do these things? Because I'm seeing people are now, you can now be able to mention another creator in your YouTube channel. Why is it being done? That is what you're supposed to be knowing now, because if you know that one now, you will be ahead and you will try to be professional. Because in YouTube, we are there like a business, and if we are there like a business, you need to know and you need to make sure that you are all things that are in YouTube are on your fingertips. And if they are on your fingertips, you are good to go. You can actually be professional, you can actually get views, and you can actually deal with YouTube like a business. If this is your first time in this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers, because here I'm gonna be bringing for you so many videos that are profitable, so many videos that can change your way in YouTube, and so many videos that can change your life. Yeah, let's subscribe to this channel and let's try to grow and prosper in YouTube.